guys, welcome to our next video, and our project will begin to take shape from this episode. Okay, that's episode 4, and we'll be importing, like the title says, importing resources. Okay, we'll be importing all the resources we need, okay, for this project, especially the ones we need to start with. Okay, and what I'm going to do in that is that I want you guys to follow along with the process. I don't just want to import everything at the beginning and we get confused. I want you to follow through the process. Okay, so inclusive in the project folder are quite a number of assets we need in this project, but we are going to start by importing just a few, like I said, to begin with. So later on we'll be importing other assets as their need arise. Okay, so inside our project folder under assets, you'll find the various saved in distinct folders according to their formats. Okay, you're going to find different assets saved in different folders according to their format. So let's see. So folder. Okay, we have After Effects here. We have our course files. So if we look at our course files, we have assets. So these assets are divided into 3 parts. Okay, so we have videos. I want to remind you again, please install your fonts. Install your fonts. Okay, so you get to follow along. So we have videos, we have fonts that we used, and we have images. Okay, so we start importing. So what are we importing first? Let's get to know. So we import the following. Number one, we import the 3Juice models. Okay, they are PNG files. So we have them here. This is one. That's the lemon fruit juice. We have two, and this is just the front view to let you know I designed this. And this is not a design class anyway. It is not a graphics design class, so we won't go deep into that. But I designed this. You can design your own if you're just following through. Just use a mock-up, design something. Okay, and if you're unable to achieve this, use a mock-up, design something, and just put it. Okay, put it. But if you have the course file, then just follow along. So we have this 3 images. So I'm just going to drag and drop. There's no time to start importing one by one. So I'll drag and drop it here. So we have our 3 models. So our 3 models, you guess right, they are images. So we need to organize them and put them inside the images folder. So you see, our project is beginning to take shape. Okay, it's beginning to take shape. So we have our 3 folders here. The good thing is that you can also have always have a view of them, of what you are clicking right here. So these are the 3 major things we need for this project. Okay, so the next thing, we're going to import water particle green screen effect. Okay, so let's check. That would be anything like green screen on it, they will be in video because they are still categorized as video files. Okay, so if we open it, we're going to see different ones. So let me just clean up by name. Okay, we're going to see them. So you just locate what you're looking for. Locate what you're looking for. So let us see. So I would advise you just turn like this so you see what you're looking for. So what are we importing? Water particle green screen. Okay, let's see. So you can get to download your own green screen. I showed you in one of the episodes how to download green screen. So everything here, they are free resources. You can get them from YouTube. Okay, if you are following along and you want to just get them from YouTube. I've showed you how to get these things and how to download them from YouTube. I've showed you that previously on previous episode. I think the previous phase. Okay, so you can do that. Okay, so but for now we are looking for water particle green screen effect. So let's look for it. Okay, water particle green screen effect. If you've seen it, just tell me, please. I think it should be water bubbles. Okay, so you don't get to confuse yourself. We are going to import water bubbles. Okay, water particles or whatsoever it is called, particles, bubbles, they're all the same. All right, so we're going to import this, drag it, and we drop it here. Okay, so this is it. And guess what? We're going to put it in the videos file. Okay, see our work is beginning to be organized. Okay, so we have it there. So what do we do again? Is in the process to follow. Okay, so after importing this, so let's ensure they are in in their place. So they are placed into the right folders, and that is what we have done. Okay, that's what we have done. So how many files do we have here? We have 1 2 3 and we have 4. Okay, so as time goes on, we are going to get to import the other files that we need. Okay, like I said, you can always view them here. You can only view them here. You can see that they are all in the same dimension, the same shape, the same dimension, and everything is just the same. Okay, because any animation we are going to be applying to one, we might likely copy it, so you don't want one to be looking very different. You can see that the same height, the same width. Okay, I'm just saying this for those persons that will later be recreating theirs. Okay, so you just have to keep everything equal, especially the 3 models we have, they have to be the same. Okay, so that's it for importing our resources, at least the one we need for now. Okay, so that's it. And next on, we are going to be doing our juice entrance animation, and it's going to be mad. It's going to be lit, man. It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit, man. So that'll be episode 5. So that's all for this video. So see you on the next video. Bye for now.